2, starting our day with a chocolate Kona muffin. What do you think?
It's so pretty.
No. We would ever focus.
Stupid pretty.
Greta walking in. We got Greta walking in. Greta walking in. And we're in. And the crowd level
is negative.
Super low. There's nobody here.
There is no crowd.
There's nobody here. Going into Adventureland. What now? Garrett's afraid. Alyssa's also afraid a little bit. Greta's not afraid. I guess we're gonna do Mine Train now. As
I want to see what the.
are you working up a sweat over there?
Yes.
We're
Are you ready?
Mine Train, time to go. Can't see anything on the GoPro.
Can't see anything. Can you see me?
Nope.
No.
It's okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. This ride definitely whips you around.
Oh yeah. It's so smooth.
It's been a bit of a crazy morning, right? But it's lunchtime.
Finally.
And we rode Jungle Cruise and Little Mermaid and Thunder Mountain and Space Mountain, so it's been good. And now we have hot dogs and French fries.
Snack, and then we're gonna eat
a little
more.
snack, and then we're gonna eat more. So that's where we're at now in a Mickey Mouse cup. Well, corn dog nuggets are gone. What was your review of the corn dog nuggets?
Better than I remember.
They were pretty good. We were pretty hungry, but they were also pretty good. All of the plush toys. Baby Tiggers. Minis. Greta.
Oh, look, it's the...
Oh, it's the one from...
He's waving to you.
Oh, Walt full of Stitch. Just exactly what we don't need. Thoughts on the Main Street Shops walk?
Very nice.
And I lost you. Very nice. The Emporium is still always beautiful. And it's nicely decorated.
We need to get something sweet. We've gotten
like
zero sweet things.
Yes.
On this entire trip. We've
Need
gotten
something
no
sweet.
We
Need
didn't
something
even get
sweet.
a fudge dip waffle last night.
No, we didn't.
You were too distracted watching
Maybe
the zombies.
Maybe tonight. Okay, Greta got the new pumpkin
Something.
cold brew. All right, try it.
Okay.
Pretty good?
You might actually.
Is it sweet?
Not really.
No?
Like pumpkin-y, more pumpkin-y. That's
All right, I'll have to try it. Pirates take 2 after we utterly failed the first time. Let's try it again. Yeah, look at you.
Hi.
Next up, time for the Haunted Mansion. Walking in, my favorite.
To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions.
Ooh, I like that. I like how they appear in the table.
Alright, snack number 2. Chicken and waffle sandwich.
The sounds we make at home.
Looks pretty awesome.
You have to have the first bite. Here, you eat it. I'll film you having the first bite. Yeah. Looks pretty good.
Big. Ready?
Yeah. You go for it. How is it? You really like it? I figured you would.
That's the best thing we've had in the park.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's like very sweet, like almost a syrup, but then there's also like a heat, like almost like buffalo sauce. Sweet heat, it was aptly named. There's like a slaw in it too. Alright, Greta's turn.
It's already. It's already.
She's losing it.
It's already gone.
What do you think? Alright, we're still going strong. It's time for the people mover. We're gonna go for something nice and relaxed. Alright, you're on the people mover. Do your feet feel a little better?
Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover.
You're really making it.
At the prototype community of Tomorrowland, Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized.
There's the construction on the new Tron roller coaster. You can see the track. You see the track in there? They steal honey!
No.
It's kind of cool.
Oh, he's stuck in the tree.
Oh, but he's happy.
That's silly old thing.
Went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!
Alright, so we've been riding for the last couple of hours. About the end of the night, time to go watch the fireworks.
The lights are on and it's very, very
I'm
pretty.
sure there'll be some footage of us riding
Something.
rides, but not all that much to show. So now just the fireworks, then we're gonna head to Disney Springs.
Yeah.